folding this and then you boil. After boiling, and eat. So interesting, super interesting. Oh my god! Oh, I don't know whether it's frying. My god! Wow, it's very hot. Very super hot. Wow, wow. Which one? Yep. We're going to Bundi on again. Wow. Wow. This is super excited sector. This side. Give some. Like I think matoke. We're also going to boil some matoke around here. Well, it is so super excited.
Those are eggs already being boiled.
Now we're going to prepare our matoke. You can see. Check on this. We're going to be preparing our matoke, and it's so nice. Just in a few minutes, it's going to be ready. So just watch out as we invite you for our meal. Thank you so much. It's me in the kitchen. Where are we taking? We can put it. Yes, guys, as you can see, very here trying to prepare matoke.
A moment.
Oh, sorry. There's someone who is trying to.
Still in my kitchen.
There's someone who is still in the kitchen, as you can see, trying to remove some eggs. Wow, this is so amazing. People who are out there, please try much as possible to come at the female hot spring here in Sempaya, Bundibugyo district. It is very exciting experience. So here in my kitchen, please you can join me. Nachumba matoke ngago. Matoke ngano. Let me hope that they are not going to flow. Yeah. Here we go. We are now going on to our other step, preparing beef. Where is our beef? You can please bring our beef. And we see how we can start preparing our beef. This is our beef. As you can see, we have goat's meat. We are going to be preparing or making goat's stew. Yep. This is our goat's meat. Let me show you people. This we're going to be preparing. And naturally, it makes its natural stew, which is so wonderful. We shall be showing you up.